In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use XLR mic on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an XLR microphone and you want to use it in conjunction with your Xbox console, you will notice that you cannot establish this connection directly between the microphone and the console itself. The Xbox Series X, just like other Xbox consoles, does not have a direct XLR input. So while it is still possible for you to connect them, you will need additional equipment. So in this video, I'm going to cover what you will need alongside the XLR microphone. So the main way to do this for most people is going to be by using an audio interface or a mixer. There are a lot of models available on the market. You can choose whichever one you prefer, of course, as long as it has an XLR input. As an example, I chose the Scarlett from Focusrite. So all that you have to do is grab an XLR cable to establish a connection between the microphone. So you plug one end of the cable into the microphone and the other one goes into the XLR input on the audio interface or mixer. By establishing this connection, you will now be able to use the audio interface or the mixer as a middleman between the console and the XLR mic. With this done, you can now connect the audio interface or the mixer to the headphone jack on your Xbox controller. And with this, the XLR microphone will now be used within your Xbox. So all that you have to do is establish a connection between XLR mic, then the audio interface or the mixer, and then the console. And as long as you are able to use the proper cables to connect all of them together, the XLR microphone will appear as an input device, and you can set it up for game chat, voice chats, in-game voice chat, and so on. Whatever you want to do, the XLR microphone will appear as an input device. Just make sure that you use an audio interface that can detect it. I hope I was able to help you on how to use XLR mic on Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.